Hello everyone, my name is Advocate Sahaj and today we will be discussing about the provision that is res judicata. Now what is res judicata? Res judicata means subject matter, adjudged, wherein res means subject matter and judicata means adjudged or decided, and together it means a matter adjudged. In simpler words, the thing has been judged by the court. The issue before a court has already been decided by another court and between the same parties. Hence, the court will dismiss the case as it has been decided by another court. Res judicata applies to both civil and criminal legal systems. No suit which has been directly or indirectly tried in a former suit can be tried again. Now, what is this principle of res judicata? The principle of res judicata seeks to promote the fair administration of justice and honesty and to prevent the law from abuse. The principle of res judicata applies when a litigant attempts to file a subsequent lawsuit on the same matter after having received a judgment in a previous case involving the same parties. In many jurisdictions, this applies not only to the specific claims made in the first case but also to claims that could have been made during the same case. Now, what are the prerequisites for the application of this principle of res judicata? Prerequisites of res judicata are a judicial decision by proficient court or tribunal, final and binding, and any decision made on the merits. A fair hearing has already been commenced and a judgment was made. Earlier decision, right or wrong, is not relevant. What is the scope and nature of res judicata? Res judicata includes two concepts of claim preclusion and issue preclusion. Issue preclusion is also known as collateral estoppel. Parties cannot sue each other again after the final judgment on the basis of the merits has reached in civil litigation. For example, if a plaintiff wins or loses a case against a defendant in the case say A, he cannot probably sue the defendant again in case B based on the same facts and events. Not even in a different court with the same facts and events. As it the principle of res judicata aims at preventing multiplicity of cases, whereas in issue preclusion it prohibits the relitigation of issues of law that already have been determined by the judge of an earlier case. Thank you.